Hey everybody, it's MBB. Today is still Sunday, February 24th, 2019. I'm Barb Hammer. I'm at the, this is a sculpture, a statue of Dr. Yat-Sen, and he founded the Chinese nationalist movement when the, what is it, the Chinese, after the last Chinese emperor. And sorry, I'm kind of speechless right now, so I'm looking, there are people passing by. Anyway, this is a statue of Dr. Yat-Sen, and actually I realized he died when he was 59, so my age. So these are the entrance to the Dr. Yat-Sen gardens. And he's sort of a hero of Chinese nationalism. And when you're coming in, there's a sculpture through that walkway that's dedicated to the memory of the Chinese railway workers, and a lot of them died building the railroads in Canada. Basically slave labor. They were used as slave labor. And so I can't remember everything Dr. Yat-Sen. So he founded the Chinese nationalist movement when the last Chinese emperor was, he abdicated, I guess. And this is the Dr. Yat-Sen garden. It's a classical Chinese garden. And I think Japanese gardens are based upon the Chinese classical garden. So these are open to the public every day. And here you get a little glimpse of the gardens. And there's ice on the water here. Very pretty. Not sure I'm aiming this exactly right. It's hard to aim this thing. Anyway, very pretty. Nice sunny day. And so anyway, that's all for now. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.